Today, Randy from NotaRubicon Productions takes me to Big Bear, California and shows me what real off-roading looks like in his Jeep, NotaRubicon. I will post Randy's link in the description. Only sad hams don't subscribe to Randy. With that said, there will be some radio, and I'm definitely not running QRP, and we definitely activated SOTA and POTA. If you'd like to watch a full unfolding of the ham radio activation where Randy holds me accountable to answering all those questions like what is QSL, QRZ, what is a grid square, why are you doing the phonetic alphabet, what is a SOTA identifier, what is a POTA identifier, go check out Randy's video. It is very good, I promise. So we got a ham radio adventure, I guess, going on. We don't know exactly what happened, but the road's blocked. Looks like there's people piling up over here. So we're gonna see what's going down. Maybe Randy's gonna have to pull somebody out of here. All right, so it was a head-on collision. They're clearing it now. We should be back on the road here shortly. Holy smokes. This is the glamour shots pose here. Airing down the tires for the ascent. So somebody recognized us out here. What's your name?
My name's Samir.
Samir, nice to meet you. What were you showing off right there for a second?
The most legal radio in the market. The important thing is the Roger beep on. Let me turn the Roger.
Yeah, turn your Roger beep on.
Let me do this for him. I'm gonna do it for him.
Okay, yeah, we're doing. We come out to four-wheel drive events to do live radio consulting.
He's hacking me right now.
Yeah.
This way, anybody listening, any ham radio operators will know that you're serious.
You assert your dominance.
Because it'll have a little Roger beep tone at the end. So now when you transmit, it does that little...
You made sure to set it back to Chinese for him too, right? Yeah. So yeah.
So I do have a rule for passengers.
Yeah.
I was gonna say when you see me shift into 4 low, don't talk to me because I'm usually concentrating on not dying.
Good.
But
I appreciate that.
To get up this hill.
There. Thanks, guys. See ya.
Ham on ham.
We saw a couple of radio operators already out here. Yes. Not many people get to meet Leia. That's rare. Yeah.
This used to be one of those spots that every time we come up, I would struggle. I'd get stuck.
Mm-hmm.
I'd get hung up there. But the last few times, it's like I got it on concrete.
This is a little technical spot, for sure.
And
I mean, even over there, there's a dip, it looks like, on the other side. There's a hole, yeah.
And it looks way worse when you're sitting behind your steering wheel.
Oh, of course,
and
yeah.
headed upwards.
Right. Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
Am I affecting your antenna?
I don't know, listen. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu. Doesn't look like it. Yeah. Ooh, somebody's way down in the noise.
Alpha Kilo 7, Romeo Sierra.
Alpha Kilo 7 Romeo Sierra got you at a 5959 into Park Kilo 4463 and Park no, I got that backwards. Summit W6 CT 053 QSL. Copy, copy. It is Kilo 4463 QSL. And the Summit is W6 /CT Charlie Tango 053.
Roger, roger. I have you at 57 Idaho, 57 Idaho, over.
Copy the Idaho. Thank you very much for the contact, 7-3.
Thank you very much for that. Kilo 5, Delta Echo Zulu.
Kilo 5 Delta Echo Zulu got you to 5959 into Park Kilo 4463 and Summit W6 Charlie Tango 053 QSL.
Roger, roger, roger. QSL, Josh. You're 597, 5x9, 5x7, 5x9, little bit of QSB near Albuquerque, and keep up the good work on the video, 73.
Hey, thank you very much for the contact, 7-3. CQ Park's on the air and Summit's on the air. Kilo India 6 November Alpha Zulu.
Kilo 7, November, Juliet, Kilo Charlie.
Is that a Kilo 7 November Whiskey Tango QSL?
QSL, I have you 55 Oregon.
QSL the 55 Oregon 55 both ways into Park Kilo 4463 and Summit Whiskey 6 / Charlie Tango 053.
Roger, roger. Thanks, Josh. 73, have fun.
Thank you very much, 7-3. Summit's on the air, QRZ.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Hotel Charlie, November. Kilo 7, Bravo, Sierra Vector.
All right, I think I heard a Kilo Foxtrot 0 Hotel Charlie November QSL.
QSL, Josh, I've got you about a 55, 55 in Kansas City, Missouri today, QSL.
I copy the 55. You're a 5959 into Park Kilo 4463 Summit Whiskey 6 / Charlie Tango 053 QSL. Whiskey 4 Juliet Station. Come again.
Whiskey 4, Juliet, Kilo Charlie. Whiskey 4, Juliet, Kilo Charlie.
All right, great signal, great signal. You're a 5959 into Park Kilo 4463 and Summit Whiskey 6 Charlie Tango 053 QSL.
Okay, Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu, Whiskey 4, Juliet, Kilo Charlie. You're 4x4, 4x4. There's a lot of QRM, just a couple kilohertz down from 4x4 in South Carolina, QSL.
South Carolina. Copy the 4x4 and thanks for the heads up on the QRM. We'll take a listen and see if we need to move. Thanks for that, 7-3.
7-3.
You want to?
What are these 5.9, 5.9? Is that
Yeah.
signal strength?
Signal strength. It's a 2 number. Somebody's calling me, but the 5 in front is quality of audio. The 1 through 9 is signal strength, and we use the radio's meter to show signal strength.
So it's not standard? One radio may be different on another standard?
It can be, but it's generally pretty universal. Sorry, there was a station calling Kilo India 6 November Alpha Zulu. Come one more time.
Whiskey Bravo 7, Uniform Lima Delta.
Whiskey Bravo 7 Uniform Lima Delta. You're a 5555 into Park Kilo 63 QSL.
QSL to 55, you're a 55, you're a 55.
All right, thanks for the 55 into Utah and the contact 7-3.
Alpha 5, Hotel.
Hey, there's an easy call sign. Alpha 5 Hotel 5959 into Park Kilo 63 and Summit Whiskey 6 Charlie Tango 053 QSL.
QSL, I have you a 55 to B6.
All right, thank you for East Texas 7-3.
73.
CQ Park's on the air. CQ Park's on the air. Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
Whiskey 1 Alpha 4 Alpha Tango uniform.
I got a Whiskey 1 Alpha. Whiskey 1 Alpha, come again.
Whiskey 1 Alpha Sierra uniform.
QSL, the Whiskey 1 Alpha Sierra uniform. Please copy the 5-9 into Kilo 4463 and Summit Whiskey 6 Charlie Tango 053. QSL?
QSL. I'll get you about a 5-1 Arkansas, 5-1 Alpha Romeo.
5-1, I'll take it. Thank you for the contact, 7-3. That's, that was a 5-9, 5-9.
Roger, roger. Thank you very much, and enjoy your channel.
Oh, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Really thirsty. Like, yeah, they can hear us. Is he gonna go back and drink more?
It's like, well,
Wow, he's really thirsty.
the water's been here for days.
I mean, they must really
maybe
be
they just
experiencing drought. You know?
It rained here. I think I said we've been here the last 3 weekends in a row on this road.
Rain?
Rained on us last week, two
okay.
weekends in a row, actually, yeah. And it was like 2 weeks ago.
Oh, look, he's coming back.
2
That's
weeks
the
ago.
young one, still has the spots. All right, we're good.
Entrance.
The entrance to the squeeze.
Not the squeeze yet.
We're gonna be. Oh my god! Wow, what a cool formation, though. Oh my goodness, that's pretty tight, man.
It is tight. I've got a.
You're saying a guy went through here with an F-150?
Yeah.
You gotta close your mirror. You want to close this side?
No, that's it.
Okay. Oh my goodness. You kind of had to drop it in?
Now I gotta make it tilt me into this rock here,
Uh-huh.
into this.
Oh yeah, and you're really close. Holy smokes.
I've got a permanent scratch in my window. Permanent scratch my window from when I didn't do it as good as I'm doing now. Minor adjustment. Could you see
Not
that?
just yeah, well, like a little bit. There, I got the back of the headrest.
I got a vehicle coming.
I saw someone with a flag. Is that coming this way?
Yeah.
Kind of would have been down to come through here. Maybe, but I think he would have got really scared.
Who was the guys we saw this morning? It's not the same guys, huh?
I don't know.
I am not an off-road videographer. There's a section I missed here because I literally didn't click record of the two gentlemen in the Toyota Tacomas going through the squeeze. I'm sorry, guys, if you're watching this. I really apologize. I did not hit record. I stood there holding up the camera, but I didn't record it, so sorry.
Are you guys going through? Yeah. You going through the squeeze?
All right, the four-wheel drive part of today's adventure is over. We're gonna air up these big tires and get back on the freeway. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, look at it. It's a scuba tank.
No.
Scuba Steve.
It is better than a scuba tank. No, it is basically a modified scuba tank.
Yeah. So is this a better way to go than like the guys who run compressors?
It's faster. Much
Faster,
Yeah.
sure.
I used
sure.
to have an onboard compressor. My wife has a onboard compressor.
Mm-hmm.
It's 5 times faster. It's way faster.
How often do you have to refill that?
About every 3 to 4 trips, depending on how low I air down.
Sure.
So, like these.
You didn't go that bad today, right?
No. The last few trips, I haven't been going that far down. So it's 4 to 5. Yep.
Oh yeah. What were you down to? 15?
15.
Wow.
That's high for me. Because when you do the rock crawling, when there's no air in the tires, they can kind of like a balloon that's got.
Yeah, they kind of like hug the rock.
They'll grab the rock, and the sidewalls are softer,
Right.
so it's cushionier and less chance of getting a puncture.
Yeah.
Almost
What do you
done.
go up to?
30
40?
to 32. No.
Yeah.
No. These big tires.
On these big ones, yeah.
30 or 32. The lower they are, the wobbly they are on the highway, but the higher they are, the more.
But you get better mileage that way, right? Yeah.
But I like a smooth
your.
ride.
I like a smooth ride. KC Daylighters.
Oh yeah.
Are they still the name?
$800.
Just for each light
for the
the
set.
bar, the set? Because you also got the hood lights or the headlights.
Yeah. Oh, those were $600 or $700. $800 because they say KC headlight on them. These, I think, are $19 a piece, and I am just as happy with these as I am with those. So
You don't get the smiley face things though, right?
that is a trademark.
That is, yeah.
If you look at my my watermark, it's the front grille with the two smiley faces. So it's the watermark on my YouTube videos.
There we go.
Big orange Jeep with the smiley faces. That's how people know the NotaRubicon.
Nice. Did you rub right here? Is that where you rubbed? A little bit?
I don't remember where that happened. These here.
That was
at the squeeze.
That was from the squeeze?
I went into it and I'm like, oh, I just busted out my window, and it just and I made it.
That's a great noise.
That is Gold Mountain.
Oh, okay.
Coming up the hard side.
Oh.
There used to be some section in one of the hard spots. There was what was called the tree, and this tree would get in everybody's way. And we were doing a night run in the dark, and I slid off a rock and went right into the tree. If I had gone here,
I'm gonna broke right through that.
yeah, but I can replace the window. That's
Yeah.
harder to-
Right. Well, you can replace the door. It's a Jeep, right?
You can, but it's more expensive.
Get a different colored one.
No. And
Whoa. Skinwalker.
was that a human or a bird?
I have no idea. Sounds like a human, I think.
Yeah. All these others are
Yeah.
just from scraping it
Yeah.
against different things.
Yeah, as you do.
Yes, that is normal.
Very cool. It's a nice setup.
That armor I was telling you about,
Yeah.
solid steel,
Okay.
bolted directly to the body, so the old fenders come off, and then these go onto the front.
Right.
I've laid it down on, not totally sideways, but on rocks,
Yeah.
like like that squeeze rock, except it was, on lower ones.
Right.
Laid the entire Jeep on them, barely
Just-
even scratched them,
Nothing.
but they're a little heavy.
Yeah. It sounds like they're very heavy.
Yeah. These were made by a company called Smittybuilt, which in the online world is usually known for making trash. They make little compressors, air compressors, and lift kits. It's just trash. This is the only thing they make that's not trash. I love it.
Is it the whole? It's multi-pieces. Oh yeah, it's multi-pieces. I see.
Yeah.
High lift jack. You have to pull that out very often.
Yep. This is really for recovery. Don't try to change your tires with this. This is not for changing tires.
No. Yeah.
It's a recovery tool. The Widowmaker, they call them. Because if you use it wrong, it'll kick up and knock your head off.
Yep. Yes. Or
Or they fall over.
they fall. Timber on you. Yeah. How long? I mean, how many years have you been putting this together?
Started in 2014, so I didn't get stuck in the mud.
24. That was all it was. I don't want to get stuck in the mud.
Yep, that's all I needed.
I need 4-wheel drive. Could have got by with all-wheel drive,
Probably.
but nope. That's what Jeeps do, guys. Don't get Jeeps. It's a drug.
And a big thank you to Randy, of course, and a thank you to all of you for watching this video. Here is a challenge to Randy. Randy, if you go get your license, I'll take that same $35 and I'll put it in a Jeep fund for myself. I'll start saving, get myself a Jeep one day maybe. Although I did really have a lot of fun. I really do appreciate Randy taking the time. I do absolutely love the concept of having a Jeep, but man, something about going out there and taking yourself right to the breaking edge of breaking something and snapping an axle. It sounds fun when you think about it, kind of like when you're a kid and you'd break skateboards for fun when you're doing tricks. But I don't know, it feels scary that you could just break something like that. I know it doesn't happen that often, and you're always out with other people and friends, and everybody helps each other out. Randy, again, thank you for taking the time, spending the whole day, taking me out in your Jeep, and then watching me play radio for half an hour. Really do appreciate it. So leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the video. Make sure you go subscribe to Randy and click that bell on both our channels so you know when we each post videos, which is multiple times a week, and I go live. I'll talk to you guys later. 73. And 69.